In this video, you will learn about first conditionals. This topic is a part of compound sentences. First conditional sentences are used to talk about things that may happen in the future. For example, if you rest, you will feel better. Or, if you study hard, you will score good marks. To form a first conditional sentence, use the present simple tense with if in the first part and future simple sentence for the next part. For example, if you study hard, you will score good marks. Do not use the future simple tense with if. For example, if you will study today or if you will dance today is wrong. Zero conditionals use the present simple tense in both parts of the sentence since the result is guaranteed. For example, if you heat ice, it melts. First conditionals use present simple and the future simple tense since the result is possible but not guaranteed. For example, if you rest, you will feel better.
Let us look at a few more examples of first conditional sentences. If it rains, you will see the peacock dance. If we win this match, we will qualify for the finals. Or, if she gets this job, she will go to Jaipur.
Now you know about first conditionals and how to use them to talk about things or events that may happen.